ITIN loans are designed for individuals who file taxes using an Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, instead of a Social Security Number, SSN. These loans are typically offered by community banks, credit unions, and specialized lenders. Lenders providing ITIN loans are familiar with the unique financial profiles of immigrants. ITIN loans provide financial access to individuals who may not qualify for traditional loans. An Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, is a tax processing number issued by the IRS. ITINs are issued to individuals who do not have and are ineligible for a Social Security Number, SSN. An ITIN allows individuals to comply with U.S. tax obligations. Possessing an ITIN does not authorize work in the U.S. or grant legal immigration status. Building an alternative credit history is crucial when traditional credit history is lacking. Alternative credit history involves demonstrating financial responsibility by paying bills on time. Consistent on-time payments for 12-24 months can establish a positive alternative credit profile. Rent payments contribute significantly to building alternative credit. Utility bill payments, such as electricity and water, also help establish creditworthiness. Insurance payments further demonstrate responsibility and contribute to a positive alternative credit history. Maintaining all bills and bank statements is crucial for documenting payment history. Using checks or bank transfers to pay rent provides verifiable proof of payment. Payment history documentation is highly valuable to ITIN lenders. Comprehensive documentation strengthens the credibility of payment records. Detailed records facilitate easier verification and approval processes with lenders. Accurate payment documentation demonstrates financial responsibility and reliability. Lenders in the USA typically require a minimum of 2 years of stable employment history. Consistent tax returns are necessary to verify employment stability. Federal tax returns, Form 1040, for the past 2 years serve as primary documentation. Stable employment history and tax returns are crucial for loan approval. Income verification for employed individuals can be achieved through W-2 forms. Form 1099 serves as the primary income verification document for self-employed individuals. Self-employed individuals should supplement Form 1099 with bank statements to substantiate income claims. Bank statements provide additional evidence to support the income reported on Form 1099 for self-employed individuals. ITIN loans generally necessitate a down payment ranging from 15% to 30% of the property's value. The increased down payment serves as a risk mitigator due to the absence of a traditional credit history. A substantial down payment demonstrates the borrower's commitment and financial seriousness to the lender. The higher down payment requirement helps to offset potential lender risk associated with ITIN loans. Home buyers should budget an additional 2% to 5% of the home's price for closing costs. Closing costs are in addition to the down payment required for purchasing a home. Loan origination fees are included within the overall closing costs. Appraisal costs are a component of the total closing costs incurred during a home purchase. Home insurance is also factored into the closing costs when buying property. Lenders scrutinize bank statements to assess responsible banking behavior. Overdrafts indicate financial mismanagement and should be avoided. Maintaining a consistent balance demonstrates financial stability. Large cash deposits require clear explanations to ensure transparency. Responsible banking behavior increases the likelihood of loan approval. Transparency in financial transactions builds trust with lenders. ITIN loans are often available through community credit unions. Specialized mortgage providers are another potential source for ITIN loans. Large national banks may not be the best option for ITIN loan seekers. Focusing on specific ITIN lenders can increase the likelihood of loan approval. ITIN loan options are tailored to individual financial circumstances and needs. Pre-qualification allows individuals to estimate their potential borrowing capacity. Pre-approval involves a detailed review of an applicant's financial documents. The pre-approval process culminates in the issuance of a conditional approval letter. Pre-qualification is an initial assessment, while pre-approval is a more thorough verification. Pre-approval provides a stronger indication of loan eligibility compared to pre-qualification. Obtaining pre-approval strengthens a buyer's position when making an offer on a property. Selecting a real estate agent experienced with ITIN loan buyers is crucial. Agents familiar with ITIN loans understand the specific requirements involved in these transactions. Experienced agents are knowledgeable about the timelines associated with ITIN loan applications. These agents can navigate the complexities of ITIN loans, ensuring a smoother transaction. Choosing an ITIN-savvy agent can lead to a more efficient and successful home buying experience. Their expertise helps ITIN loan buyers overcome potential obstacles in the real estate market. Pre-approval strengthens the offer by demonstrating financial readiness. Making an offer involves presenting a formal proposal to purchase a property. A strong offer position enhances the likelihood of successful negotiation. Confidence in the offer reflects thorough preparation and market awareness. Negotiations involve communication and compromise between buyer and seller. The lender initiates an appraisal to verify the property's value. Final documentation undergoes a comprehensive review by the lender. Upon approval, the process advances to the closing stage. At closing, property ownership officially transfers to the buyer. The closing finalizes the real estate transaction. ITIN loans often involve higher interest rates compared to conventional loans. The elevated interest rates on ITIN loans reflect the increased risk perceived by lenders. ITIN loans may also include higher closing costs than standard loan products. Borrowers should meticulously compare ITIN loan offers from multiple lenders. A thorough understanding of all fees associated with ITIN loans is crucial. Careful evaluation helps borrowers make informed decisions about ITIN loan products. Buying a home builds equity over time, increasing the homeowner's net worth. Homeownership provides stability and a sense of security for families. Establishing a good credit history through mortgage payments can lead to refinancing with better terms. Refinancing a home loan can result in lower monthly payments and significant long-term savings.